The CAT 336 excavator is built for high performance, efficiency, and durability, making it one of the top choices for heavy-duty earth-moving projects. With its powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, this machine delivers superior digging force and lifting capacity, allowing operators to handle even the toughest job site conditions with ease. The 2025 model of the CAT 336 comes with upgraded technology, increased fuel efficiency, and improved operator comfort, setting a new standard in the industry. At the heart of the CAT 336 is a fuel-efficient CAT C9.3B engine that meets the latest emission standards while delivering exceptional power. With a net power output of approximately 311 horsepower, this excavator can handle large volumes of material quickly and efficiently. The next-generation hydraulic system ensures precise control, reducing fuel consumption and enhancing productivity. The Smart Mode feature automatically adjusts engine speed and hydraulic power based on the task, optimizing efficiency and reducing unnecessary wear on components. The CAT 336 is equipped with a spacious and ergonomic cab designed for maximum operator comfort. The advanced touchscreen display provides real-time data, machine diagnostics, and customizable controls, allowing operators to work more efficiently. The joystick controls are intuitive and reduce operator fatigue during long working hours. The cab also features improved visibility, noise reduction, and climate control, making it easier to operate in various conditions. One of the most significant advancements in the 2025 CAT 336 excavator is its enhanced technology package. Integrated CAT grade with 2D and optional 3D features help operators achieve precise grading and digging with minimal rework. The CAT payload system provides real-time weighing of materials, improving accuracy and reducing load times. The machine also comes with CAT's advanced telematics system, which allows fleet managers to monitor performance, fuel usage, and maintenance schedules remotely, ensuring maximum uptime. Durability and reliability are key strengths of the CAT 336. Its reinforced structures, heavy-duty booms and arms, and high-quality components ensure a long service life even in the most demanding applications. The automatic lubrication system reduces maintenance time, while easily accessible service points make routine checks more convenient. The fuel-efficient design helps lower operating costs, making this excavator a cost-effective choice for contractors. With its combination of power, technology, and operator-focused design, the 2025 CAT 336 excavator is built to handle the toughest jobs while maximizing efficiency and productivity. Whether it's construction, mining, or large-scale earth-moving projects, this machine delivers the performance and reliability that professionals expect from CAT.